Kung naghahanap ka ng property in Santa Rosa, Laguna that is located in a prime location inside a well-established community near Endo Valley and newly built, so this property is definitely what you're looking for. Today, we will feature a newly built home here in Laguna, Bell Airport. And honestly, isa to sa mga location na matagal nang kilala here in Santa Rosa, Laguna. So pagdating sa accessibility, community, at long-term value. Stay with me until the end because this property might be your next home. Hi everyone, this is Christina Barro from Prestige Properties and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Before we start the house tour, let's talk about Laguna, Bell Air. Laguna, Bell Air is one of the most established residential communities in Santa Rosa, Laguna. Maraming families ang matagal nang nakatira dito and isa rin sa malaking advantage ng Laguna, Bell Air is location. Accessible ito via SLEX and CALAC and just minutes away from the Valley, Solinad, hospitals, schools, and commercial areas. So everything you need paglabas mo, literally, nandyan na lahat. So pagdating sa banks, commercial area, malls, napakalapit lang dito. So kung gusto mo ng property na hindi na kailangang magantay pang ma-develop ang paligid, this is the kind of neighborhood na complete na. So welcome to this newly built home located here in Laguna, Bell Airport. So this property sits on 150 square meter lot area and 180 floor area. So before we enter to this property, you will see at this side, this will be your pocket garden. And from here, from your pocket garden, we have the gate or access naman papunta to your living area. So this property is perfect para sa mga family na nag-i-start pa lang mag-build ng kanilang house. So on this side naman makikita nyo, this will be our car garage at the frontage of your property. And meron na rin tayo ditong provision for CCTV, so secure, ready na talaga siya. So before tayo pumasok sa main entrance, makikita nyo elevated siya. We have the stairs dito bago makarating dito sa main door natin. So, pagpasok nyo dito sa property, ito yung makikita nyo yung ating living area. So, actually, this property is a fully furnished or semi-furnished kasi once you buy this property, kasama na yung ating sofa and makikita nyo rin, meron na rin tayo ditong TV console which is nag-add na rin siya ng design for this property. So, ang maganda dito, talaga namang ilalagay nyo na lang yung bibilhin yung TV. And sa baba nitong ating console, makikita nyo, meron din tayo ditong mga shelves or lagayan na gagamitin natin for this area. And from your living area, nakaseparate din yung ating dining area at this side. But before we go to our dining area, silipin muna natin yung ating first room dito sa baba ng property. So actually, we have a one bedroom here with toilet and bath. But you can convert this for office area. And if ever, pwede rin natin gawing guest room or pwede nyo rin siyang gawin as one bedroom kung may elderly tayong kasama na titira dito sa property. So maganda dyan, separate na and may shower na rin dyan sa area na yan. So from dito sa bedroom natin sa baba, makikita nyo may door tayo dito which is magiging access naman natin siya papunta sa labas ng property. So makikita nyo rin may mga green spaces pa tayo dito na pwede nyo rin siyang gawin na mini garden in the future. So balik tayo sa loob. And now, nandito naman tayo sa kitchen area which is makikita nyo meron na tayong mga built-in cabinets on this side. And meron na rin tayo ditong Lagerman na range hood, stove, and oven. Yung provision natin for refrigerator, dito naman sa area na to. Ito na yung ating kitchen countertop. So dito sa area na to, nakaseparate na yung trays for the spoon and fork, plates, glass. So organized na siya, hindi na siya maghahalo-halo yung mga gagamitin natin in terms of kitchen. And from dito naman sa kitchen area, we have the stock room on this area. So di na lang natin siya bubuksan. And maganda pa rin dito, meron na siyang sariling toilet and bath. Ito yung ating provision naman for the laundry area on this side. So, makikita nyo rin, naka-enclose na siya. So, kahit umulan, naglo-laundry kayo dito. So, hindi na rin siya mababasa kasi naka-cover na itong area na to. And makikita nyo rin, ito, gated na rin siya which is, ito rin is magiging access nyo naman to your carport. So, balik tayo sa loob. So, ipapakita ko na rin sa inyo ang this kitchen countertop. Pwede pa kayong maglagay ng chair dito para at least magamit pa rin natin na extra space. So, kung gusto nyo magkwentuhan, so, maglalagay lang kayo ng another chair on this area. And from here to your kitchen area, on this side naman, makikita nyo, ito yung ating 6-seater na dining table. Maganda to kasi makikita nyo naman minimalist style din lang, aesthetic yung design. So, once you purchase this property, this is a semi-furnished. We have the living room, meron na tayo dyang sofa, and dito naman sa dining area, meron na tayong kasama na table with 6 seaters na siya. So, before we go to the second floor, mapapansin nyo on this side, akala nyo parang design lang siya. So, ito is magiging ating powder room dito sa baba na to. This property has 4 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath dito sa second floor. And mapapansin nyo rin stairs natin, wide siya. And dito rin makikita nyo, pag-akyat ninyo, we have the hallway. And actually, you can use pa rin this space as, pwede tayo maglagay dyan ng table or something na light. Kasi meron pa rin tayo dito, saksakan. And from dito, makikita nyo, ito muna yung ating papasukan, which is ito yung ating second bedroom. So, very spacious yung ating second bedroom. Makikita nyo, meron na kayong built-in cabinets, table. So, if you have kids, pwede na yung maglagay dito ng chair para at least magagamit nila pag mag-study sila. And nakagandahan pa dito, we have the provision na rin for aircon and meron tayong balcony. So, from your second bedroom, pasukin naman natin yung ating third bedroom located naman dito sa area na to. So, halos same lang naman siya ng sukat. We have also rin the built-in cabinets, tables on this side. So, maganda yan kasi kung tigigisang room yung kids nyo and mag-aaral, so magagamit nila to. And of course, ito naman yung ating window. So, malalaki na rin yung ating window dito. So, from your third room, ito yung ating another storage area na pwede nyo magamit as toiletries. And dito rin, nandito na yung ating common and toilet and bath para dun sa ating second and third room. So, meron na siyang shower. So, nakapartition na rin siya para at least kung may maliligo, hindi na rin lalabas or mag-i-spill yung water outside. And now, nandito na tayo sa master's bedroom. So, syempre, pag master's bedroom, malaki yung ating space. So, dito maganda dyan kasi napakaluwag niya. Pwede nyo na ilagay dito yung bed nyo. Then, dito naman yung TV nyo para at least kung ayaw nyo nang bumaba, gusto nyo moments or gusto nyo manood dito sa taas ng property, pwede tayong maglagay dito. Then, syempre, pwede na natin i-organize to. Depende sa atin kung paano natin siya i-layout once we purchase this property. And nakagandahan pa dito sa master's bedroom na to, we have the walk-in closet on this side. So, makikita nyo, eto, meron na tayong mga cabinets, storage area, bago kayo makarating sa ating toilet and bath. So, from here, from your walk-in closet, ito yung ating toilet and bath. So, we have the shower area, which is pwede nyo naman yung ipa-enclose in the future. But, this property, kung ano yung nakikita nyo ngayon, ito na yung mapapurchase nyo dito. So, dito, once you buy this property, ang dadalhin nyo na lang syempre yung mga beds nyo. And hindi mawawala sa master's bedroom, ito naman yung ating balcony. So, very spacious din yung ating balcony, which is pwede pa kayong maglagay dito ng table, pwede kayong mag-get together or something, gusto nyong lumabas or magpahangin. So, dito yan sa area na ito. What makes this property even more attractive is the community of Laguna Bel Air. Inside the subdivision, we have the parks and open spaces, jogging areas, clubhouse and amenities, and tree-lined streets. And outside the subdivision, Nubali Lifestyle Centers, schools and hospitals, supermarkets, restaurants, commercial areas. This is located where everything is already established. And this beautiful newly built home is offered at 15 million. For a newly built house inside Laguna Bel Airport, this is actually a very competitive price considering the location and inclusions. If you're looking for a home that is move-in ready, well located, and future-proof, this is definitely worth considering. If you think this house could be your next home here in Santa Rosa, Laguna, we would love to show you this property personally. So if you're interested and you want to know more details about the property we're offering here at Laguna Bell Airport, please don't hesitate to message us directly at 63-917-513-2484. And hope to see you soon on my next one. Bye!